Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So yesterday I posted that Edge for Desktop had received a bug fix and a performance fix update, and that it was not a security update. Now, when I did post that video yesterday originally, that's all the release notes said, and then it seems that someone realized a little bit later in the day that there were actually important Chromium security updates that had been rolled out for Edge as well. And those were added to the release notes quite late yesterday in my region after I posted that video. So just a quick update to let you know that over and above being a bug and performance fix update, this latest update for Edge is also an important Chromium update, which I have been posting on, which first of all rolled out for Chrome, Vivaldi, Brave, and now it's the Edge web browser's turn. Now, because we are dealing with security issues, it's always important to double check that your browser is up to date. And just to do a quick recap regarding the version and build, which stays exactly the same now as I did post yesterday, it's 114.0.1823.51. And just a quick recap regarding the security issues that have been addressed. There are 5 security fixes that have rolled out. For Edge, 4 of those are for Chromium, for the Chromium platform, which the browser is based on. And one of those is Edge specific. So that's a security update for the actual Edge browser. And out of the 4 Chromium fixes that have rolled out, one of those is critical, as mentioned, and 3 are high risk. So if you're dealing with critical and high risk vulnerabilities, critical is your highest, high risk is your second highest. So important to double check your browser is up to date. And although there are no 0 days or exploits in the wild, nothing's out there currently active or happening. If you are dealing with a critical vulnerability, obviously if it is your highest strength vulnerability, then important to double check your browser's up to date. So I thought I'd just do this quick update video because over and above those bug fixes and those performance fixes that rolled out, which I posted yesterday, as mentioned later on in the day, Microsoft did update the release notes to say that it also included those all-important security fixes from the Chromium project. So double check that your browser is up to date. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.